To the yellow and out of the red.
It is said that eyes are windows to the soul. For optometrist Lieutenant Colonel Deborah McNamara, these windows are key to revealing an issue affecting an average of 1.7 million Americans each year.
Vision disorders are common with traumatic brain injury, and a lot of times people have a hard time explaining what's going on with their vision. Brianna, I'd like you to look out there at that age.
Using an intern at the clinic, Lieutenant Colonel McNamara demonstrates some of the vision tests used to evaluate those experiencing a traumatic brain injury.
Reddish white.
Good, I want you to...
The range of patients can include deployed soldiers who experienced a blast-related event to something as simple as an accident on the school playground.
Right there.
Good. Sometimes patients will show up at the optometry clinic thinking they're just going to come in for a routine exam. They don't really understand that they've been referred to us because of their traumatic brain injury. So, we have to explain to them it's more than just covering one eye and calling out the letters, because they may see perfectly fine with one eye at a time, but as soon as you uncover the eyes, if they do not have good binocular function, they might start to see double or some blurring, or they have a head tilt. Maybe they can't focus up close, and we have to explain that this might be causing some of the symptoms that they have, like their headaches, the blurring of distance and near vision when they transition from distance to near. And these are things that we can work on and perform vision therapy and make them more comfortable and able to function better.
CD.
Optometry evaluations from Landstuhl Regional Medical Center are being used as part of wider research efforts on the relationship between visual symptoms and traumatic brain injury.
Closer to you, you tell me when it starts. I believe the research will show that the earlier you get someone in for an eye exam and have those conditions addressed, that the better off they're going to be. Because a lot of these soldiers don't realize what's going on, that it's something simple that can be fixed by optometry. Back out to the red.
No matter the severity or type of head injury you might have experienced, a full vision exam is worth looking into. Tech Sergeant Bert Trainer, Landstuhl, Germany.
And then out at the red.